Hey guys, back again for part 4. So yeah, now I'm going to work on the middle part of the blade on the tang. So yeah, I might call it a little bit there, and yeah, might show you what about the story that happened there last night, and yeah, we'll see. So without any further ado, there we go. Oh. There. I will have to say, technically, we are in a burn ban. And so, yeah. But, propane forge, there's no... Ugh. Look, a spider just crawled on me. Well, that's a good sign. I don't feel it. All right. There. So, that's how much the blade's out. The tang is just kind of, I'm just going to do a full tang and just do like a really long one. And hopefully this should work. So, alright, so in a few more minutes I'm going to do a couple more videos and call it. And because I have a couple of things to do later on, so I can't do the whole day forging like I wanted to. But this was a good start. I can't complain. Alright. Ow, man. Ugh. Alright, sorry to keep you for a bit here. So, alright. So I'm just going to let the tang heat up a bit, then work on it. So, because yeah. And that's going to be it for today. Here. Got to do that before the blade gets too cold to work on. There. So that's kind of what it looks like now. Oh. It looks a little rough, yes. But for about what? A whole half hour of work? Or maybe like for almost an hour. And I just got that. That's not too bad. Sure, I gotta fix the tang and straighten the edge, or straighten the blade. Ain't there, but don't forget. This is gonna be the handle, and I might make this a two-handed small sword. I don't know, or like a thin two-handed kind of esque. Just, I don't know, just for the shiggles. So if you guys like this little YouTube series here, if you like this little sword series here, I'm gonna say this. Screw that. That's gonna be awesome. Give me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know what? You guys are lovely viewers. Peace. Enjoy your fall.